Welcome to the Dump Truck Toolbox. I'm Alan, and I'm going to invite you inside the Dump Truck Toolbox Studio. I've recently started a new company. I have a different truck, and I'm setting it up to capture video for the Dump Truck Toolbox. In my new truck, I've attached my regular GoPro mount, and I'm also experimenting with an exterior mount. I'll share some video with you. As always, thank you for joining us here on the Dump Truck Toolbox. If you found today's video useful or interesting, please click the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and be safe out there. Do not narrate your videos while you're driving a dump truck.